Password reset not sending email on MarketFinance Fix. You've hit forgot password on MarketFinance, but the reset email never comes through. Don't panic, this issue happens more often than you'd think, and the solution is usually simple. First, check your spam or junk folder. MarketFinance password reset emails are typically sent from no-reply-marketfinance.com, and many email providers automatically filter these automated messages. Use your inbox search bar to look for MarketFinance or password reset. If it's not there, make sure you're entering the same email address you used when you created your account. Most people get this wrong. Maybe you signed up using a work email or a slightly different personal one. Even one character off can prevent delivery. Next, at MarketFinance, come to your safe sender or contact list and resend the password reset email. Wait at least 5 minutes before trying again, as sending too many requests too quickly can cause temporary delays. If you're still not seeing the email, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try requesting the reset from a different device or browser. Outdated versions or cache sessions sometimes block the request from being sent. Also, check if your inbox is full or if your email provider is blocking links for security reasons. Business or secure email servers often do this automatically. If you've tried everything and still haven't received the email, contact MarketFinance support directly. They can verify your account details and manually send you a reset link. Most people assume the system isn't working, but the surprising truth is that the problem usually lies with spam filters or incorrect email entries. Follow these easy steps and you'll get your MarketFinance password reset email delivered quickly, letting you log back in and manage your finances without a hitch.